Knowing na Quiapo, Escolta, all these places are still in its essence, business areas pa rin siya. Minsan, ang takot ng mga tao, okay, baka, is it really restricting? Paano na ako makapag-develop vertically, for example? Yun yung mga practical na mga questions. I think, by designating these as a heritage zone, that's very important. Knowing that these places are important, yung ma-attract mo din ng mga stakeholders, mga developers in these places. Parang ang dapat prerequisite sa kanila, will you also be taking part in the journey na ma-make sure na makikip natin yung character, yung historical significance ng place na yun. Kasi kung hindi, maybe hanap ka na lang ng ibang place kasi saan ka pwede mag- Pero I think yun din at least it's also a potential na what if baka marami talagang developers out there na would be investing in these places upon knowing that that's a heritage place, ay, mag-i-invest ako dyan. At for sure, paniwalaan natin na meron mga talagang developers and stakeholders out there that will be willing to invest. Just at least yung mismong national government natin and even stakeholders na magsasabing, okay, nag-declare na siya, sige, mag-take part kami dyan. I think doon natin siya ipapasok. So, lahat nung, okay, we need to cultural map all these places. O may mga investors, sige, we will also be willing to invest on that. Kasi alam namin heritage zone siya. So, halimbawa kung vertically, kung kailangan pa rin, again, certain places naman, hindi kailangan restricting. Okay, in certain core areas of the Escolta and Quiapo districts, kailangan well-preserved. Maybe in some places, alam nating part of the buffer zone siya, pero at least sana man lang ma-maintain yung character ng place. Kasi knowing we've already culturally mapped the asset, the intangible and tangible heritages of these places, kailangan ma-ensure lang natin intact siya. So yung dun sa buffer zone, sige mag-vertically develop ka, pero yung character ba, yung design ba ng structure mo would still be conforming with the character and the beauty of the place. I think yun yung pinaka-essence of the reason why we want to designate this as a heritage zone.